is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we've got something special for you. We're gonna do a banana cream pie. Woo! How's that sound? Now what's gonna go on top of the pie that's different? Meringue! I like to say marron, but it's gonna be meringue and I think you're gonna enjoy it. So come on over here, I'm gonna show you what I got going here. I got 2 small boxes of instant banana cream mix. Okay, and then I have 2 cups of low-fat milk right here. And then over here I have some whipped cream. What kind of whipped cream? I'm using the Dream Whip. That's right, and it's 1 cup of Dream Whip. I used to have this when I was a kid. I used to love it. Anyway, we're going to show you how exactly to do it, and this is what I'm going to do. You can use a whip to do these things, but today I'm going to be a little lazy because guess what? I already did my exercise for today. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on low. And I'm going to put it in the old bowl here, and you can come on in and see how I do this. Here we go. I'm going to pour the milk in and do it. Can you see that? There we go. Okay. That's nicely mixed up like that, don't you think? And I put the Cool Whip in there just like so. Put this over here. And then I just kind of get it off of there a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing now on low, and then I'm going to go switch to high soon. So remember, always start up your blender with your with the blades in the mixture, because otherwise, if there's anything left over, it'll go squirting all over the place. If you know what I'm saying? Woohoo! Hey, when you were a kid, did you ever like to lick the blender blades? I did. I love that. Come on in. I'm going to turn this on high now. And then what we want to do is we want to get it so it's nicely, a little bit peaked. Okay, that's about it. And what you do is you just kind of slow it down a little bit with the blade still in the mixture. And you back out of there and you go ahead and lick the blades. Make sure it's not running. Okay, next step on the banana cream pie is putting the mixture together. But before I go, I got to tell you, those blades on that blender were fantastic. Or reminded me of a kid. I love it. Okay, come on over. What I'm going to do is show you that this is a 1/2 cup of sugar, white sugar, and I got a pinch of salt in here already mixed in. So that what that does is it goes in the pot, just like that. And then I got over here some Karo syrup. This is some Karo syrup. It's light Karo syrup. And right here is a 1/2 cup of that. Okay, and then that goes in the mix just like that. It's going to take a little bit. Look at that. Woo-wee. I love that. I love that. Okay, there. It's almost in. There we go. Now, the next thing I'm going to put in here is 6 tablespoons of water. That's right, 6 tablespoons. And it goes right in just like so, right? And then what I got over here is a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Look at that, cream of tartar. Look at it. It's just a little bit, but you just go ahead and sprinkle it in there just like so. You know, I like to do that. And then what I'm going to do is turn it on a low heat to start out. And then I'm going to start mixing it up a little bit like that until it comes to a small little boil. But it's all got to be mixed in, the sugar and everything. Okay, looks like we got it on a low boil right now. You can come over and take a look at that. Look at that. So then I turn it off. I move it off to the side. And then I have my 4 egg whites right here. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to go ahead and get my old blender on a low speed. And I'm going to go ahead and whip these up a little bit. And then after that, I'll be pouring in the mixture into that. But pouring in it slowly. Alrighty, that looks pretty good. It's on a real low foam right there, which I want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get the mixture and pour it back in it. I'm going to pour it slowly, and then I'm going to turn the mixer on at the same time, and we're going to watch it get foamy. That's what we love. This is the marron part. I mean the meringue part. Here we go. So, here we go, folks. Remember, put it down into so it doesn't splatter. Turn it on low, and then we start pouring. And then keep it on low for a while, and then we're going to pick it up. And here we go. Okay, so I was mixing it with my mixer here, but I found out that it's a little too slow. You know, I was just trying to be nostalgic and do what my mom used to do, but this one here is a little bit slower, but guess what? I get to lick the things again, these blades. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a little more up standard mixer that I have. And this one has a lot more power to it. And we're gonna go ahead and start it up, as you see right here. But remember, I'm gonna bring it down in there and start it. Okay, so bring it down in there, start it slow. Come on in and take a look. The meringue is done. And next step is gonna be to go ahead and put the pudding in the pie. And come on over and take a look at my beautiful pie crust that we made. This is a fresh graham cracker pie crust, and boy, it really smells great. Now I sliced the bananas, put them on the bottom, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the pudding and I'm gonna put it over the top of the bananas and then put more bananas on top, and then the meringue. Alrighty, look how beautiful that, oh, that looks delicious. So you just kind of smooth it out a little bit, just like so. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the bananas that are right here, and I'm gonna put them on top. You can watch me do that if you want to. Oop, that one will go there, I guess. Alright, and we just go around the top, just like so. And then what's gonna go on after this is the meringue. Goes there. This one goes there. And this one goes there. All right, look at that meringue. Can you see that? Oh, isn't that beautiful? Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on top. So here we go, folks. Here we go. See if I can do this where I don't goof it up any, okay? Come on around here like this. Come on around like that. Okay, come on around. Whoa, look at that's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, and we'll start with that. Let me go and smush it out there. Can you see that? Goes all the way around like so. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Bring it in here like so. Bring it in here. You know what I mean? I think we've done it. I think we've done it. All the bananas are covered. It's nicely done. Doesn't that look good, you guys? Doesn't that look good? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spoon like this. A little spoon. Here's a little trick. You go like this. Put little tops on there, just like that. Little tops on there, just like that. Okay? Now, there you go. Wow, look at that. Does that look great? Then you go like this. No, boy, that's good. So, here's something that my mom never used, but this is something that I came upon. It's the old browner, okay? So watch this. It's a little dangerous. So stand back. A little further, please. Then you start it up. Look at that. Come on in. Come on in. Then we come down. And we start browning. Look at that. Okay, it's time to turn that baby off. Did you like the way that looks? Huh? Is it beautiful or what? Look at this. Banana cream pie, homemade graham cracker crust, banana cream pudding, some meringue, and a little bit of toasted top meringue. Now don't go anywhere. We're gonna go ahead and chill it for a little bit, and then we're gonna show you a nice beauty shot. Vito's Italian Cucina. Now remember, go to youtube.com/Veets and go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell. There it is. I love it. If you ring the bell, you get all the shows. Thanks a lot for being here. Don't go nowhere. Beauty shot coming up.